Are you looking for info about Monument, Colorado custom closet contractors? You are in the right place. Custom closets provide an elegant solution to organization, making your space functional and beautiful. One mistake people often make is not researching the contractors. It's crucial to check their credentials and customer reviews before making a decision. To avoid this mistake, create a list of potential contractors and compare their past work and reviews. This will lead you to the best custom closet designers in Monument. Another common error is underestimating the budget. Customers often overlook hidden fees that can add up during the project. To stay on budget, ask for a detailed quote up front. This helps avoid surprises and ensures you get a custom closet quote in Monument that fits your finances. Many people ask, how long does a custom closet installation take? Typically, the process lasts anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on the complexity. Another scary question is about the installation cost. Remember, while prices vary, affordable custom. Lastly, many inquire about design flexibility. Custom closet builders in Monument see ready to transform your space? Call us today to take the first step toward your custom closet build. 303-381-2469 and visit monument.customclosetconstruction.com.